Hello and welcome to my I don't even know which video this is, but today we will be talking about one of the many things I despise in this world. It's lust. I really despise lust. I hate I mean yes. Often lust is one of the only things I may agree on with religious people. I don't believe there is no sins. There is no God. It's all one delusion. But lust is one of the things I do agree on. Lust is also very cultural, and I do not like that. I hate culture too. Culture and cultural values should all be de-established, and it should be de-established really quickly. There is no reason for culture to exist. Now, in this video, I will do what I normally do and log into Reddit. But what we have to do now is I need to make an account for culture is overrated. Because if my channel ever grows much, might even make a own Reddit to be honest. Can't be sure, but yeah. But lust is disgusting, sex is disgusting, and overall love and relationships are disgusting. It is very horrible to be in love with someone. Love is also very like I hate relationships, love, lust. It's just I've never felt to be loved by anyone, to be honest. Lust is not only cultural but a natural human emotion which it shouldn't be. The perfect human should not feel lust or any kind of desire. And love too. Love is a human emotion, universal one, and deeply cultural too, which it's cultural and a human emotion. There's only a few human emotions I like. And love is not one of them, neither is lust. Love and lust both are terrible and should all be de-established. As quick as possible. I sound way negative. I know it. But what I will do is I think we are gonna you all know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go on Reddit and try to find some lust. Oh, if I search this up I'm gonna get flashed. I got I got fucking flashed from r on r slash one Cynthia from Photo Therapy for the man 3 years ago. Dust and desires can be deadly. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Uh, yeah, it's a really tragic Instagram post how she went to old man's house, had sex with him. Wait, wait, old man, 22-year-old, fucking, I don't know how to pronounce this name. Like a student who called the old man into her house, had sex with him, secretly, secretly recorded and uploaded it on a porn site. The video went viral, leading to suicide by the old man. Yeah, this bitch. I'm gonna put this photo on the screen so y'all can see how fucking ugly she is. She is one of the most ugliest person I've ever seen. How can a person get aroused by someone that looks like her? Fucking ugly ass bitch. Okay. From that slot duke, damn anyone who posts intimate pictures and videos involving others without that consent. Consent is scum. Oh yeah, and yeah, it also reveals that she has done this before, so she could get locked up in prison. I don't know, for life, I guess. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. From r slash x Reddit, baby girl is trying. What's the stupidest thing you've done because of lust? Was it worth it? Now this will be very interesting to see people who admit to being lustful and even tell us their stories on websites. Hat Human says I had all my papers ready to attend UPC, but instead I followed a girl I had met on Skype to Finland. What? First off, why would you come to Finland? This place sucks. I mean, this post was 10 months ago, though. So this is ready. I mean, post that's 10 months ago, but this might have taken many years ago to happen. But still, Finland sucks. Especially if you go to like Helsinki, they're like main places. Because there is a lot of skin who commit crimes, rape, steal, enact fucking retarded that shit only because they are immigrants who often come into this country and don't respect the country at all. These people should be kicked out right fucking now instead of letting them stay and corrupt the country of Finland, which was a better country than, for example, like USA, which many people will talk about, especially the Americans talk it's a great country. No, America sucks, Finland sucks, almost every country on the earth sucks. Wanna know what sucks more? Africa! Because it's full of these kinds of people, these like black people who commit crimes, and then people get called racist for calling them out. She ended up, okay, I had met on a Skype to Finland. She ended up banging a few friends of hers in our apartment. I still live in Finland though. Yeah, that's cool. That's actually pretty good. Let's read the comment, I'm interested. Life saying, life saying in Horndag decision. from user from a deleted user. Upside, you get to live in Finland. Yeah, I mean, I'd probably say it's a upside mattering where in Finland you live. If you live in like a small town, good. If you live in like a town like some town full of bad black people who commit crimes, it's not so good. Let's see. How's Finland? Summers are amazing, dating life is hard. I wouldn't know. And then Kepsuda comments, Torille and the OP answers, Toki. So what you're so Hotman19 asks, what you're saying is you would recommend doing this. It did have its up and downs. And Elias Brech says, I could have ended up in a worse countries, I guess. And the OP replies, well, I left Switzerland for Finland. Now, I don't know much about Switzerland. From not just another but my penis has let me places. I will not go with a gun. Okay, that's fucking, I don't know. Let's see if there's anything. Anon hates last provoking images from Forsan. r/Forsan. There's a Discord link. It's a flash called okay, this is. Oh, the poster is a fight. Cool. There is nothing good for me to talk about, but here, in Reddit to read stories. But what we can do is sorry, I'm just searching up stuff. A lot of people say it's beautiful to be the kind of person who searches for love in a lustful world. No, it's not. It's not beautiful. It sucks. You should not search for love or lust. Both suck ass. No matter what situation you're gonna get in, you're gonna end up unhappy. Lustful situation, well, you shouldn't feel lust. Love situation, well, I don't know. Love sucks too. In my next video, I do not know what to do. But what I do have, I don't know. But I think I will be ending this video up here pretty shortly. I have one wild idea for my next video, but I low-key forgot how to install Windows 7. So I'm gonna have to try it out or just do it without installing it from scratch. Or I'm just gonna mess around with the Windows 7 computer I have right here in my next video, cause I'm gonna do that. So I think I'm gonna end this right here. I don't have more stuff to talk about, so bye.